Why pay 80 lakhs for a villa when you can build the exact same dream for 50 lakhs? G Square has partnered with Brick and Bolt to make your dream villa more affordable, transparent, and rightly priced. Let's understand why villas in traditional villa communities cost so much. A typical villa community is developed across 4 acres or more, with a saleable area of nearly 2 lakh square feet. First, the developer purchases the land and registers it. Then comes the cost of approvals. For projects exceeding 2 lakh square feet, environmental clearance is mandatory. After that comes RERA approval, planning, design, construction, marketing, and launch. This entire process can take 3 to 4 years. During all these years, the developer continues paying EMIs, interest costs, and operational expenses. And that's not all. Imagine a project with 400 villas. Even if only 40 villas are sold initially, the developer still has to construct and deliver all 400 villas. To make that possible, they raise funding for both land and construction. And the interest on that funding eventually gets added to the villa price. In the end, the customer pays not just for the villa, but also for years of financing costs, approvals, overheads, and developer margins. That's why a villa that costs 80 lakhs may have a much lower actual construction value.
Now, G Square and Brick and Bolt are changing the equation of how villas are owned. With G Square, you own a premium plot in a fast appreciating location. And with Brick and Bolt, you build that dream villa at genuine construction costs. The secret? Massive scale. G Square develops 100 plus plotted communities across Tamil Nadu in a fast appreciating location and working in a thin margin.
Since G Square procures land in large volumes, it can offer plots to customers at nearly half the price of other developers. This means customers gain the advantage of 2x value right from the time of purchase itself.
Brick and Bolt builds homes across India, so smarter sourcing of materials brings down costs without compromising on quality. With G Square, you're not buying a villa built for everyone. You're buying a premium plot in a fast appreciating location and building a villa that's uniquely yours. Your design, your style, your preferences. Most importantly, the land remains an appreciating asset in your name. And with Brick and Bolt, one of India's leading construction companies, your dream villa can be completed in as little as 8 months. No waiting for years, no paying for developer funding costs, no bearing the interest burden of unsold inventory, no hidden overheads added to your villa price.
Just your land, your dream home, built at genuine construction cost. The result? A villa that could cost 80 lakhs in a traditional villa community can now be built for around 50 lakhs. That's nearly 30 lakhs saved. That's 30% lesser than any other company. From G Square, you get more freedom, more value, more appreciation. And with G Square Build Assist, unlock exclusive offers from leading brands for all your home essentials. Plus, Brick and Bolt is giving up to 5 lakhs discount, exclusive for every G Square customers. With G Square and Brick and Bolt, own the plot, build the dreams, save lakhs.